Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn a little more about Ardu. You must know a little about it, but if you like theory and you want, you can go to and study more about it. But I don't prefer but I know a little about it and read about it, but it's not such an important thing. It's just needed you know how it works. R2 value is close to 1 is good and is lower to close to 0 is bad. But what is the R2 between 0 and 1 means? Okay, let's ask you what R2 is good and not over train. Okay, what is good value for R2 scores? Let's go and see. This is okay. If you like, you can read this site, but I don't really like that. R2 is something I said in the past. It's a parameter for determining our model is good or not. It's really easy to calculate. You can go and calculate it. This R2 is good and this is bad. Okay, let me see. These are models. You can read a lots of things about it if you want. Okay, but it's not our work. Okay, let's go and see if we want to predict some day's price, how we can do it. I create a def for it. Why a def for it? Because of what? Because the data xy and we give to our program is, let's open it. It's number, not a date. How to convert it to a date? Okay, let's go and see what I do in the last line. Let's just copy it. No, run it. And okay, this is the line of code that changing the day I give to year. And the easy one, it's changing the year, month, day to number for search. And then we give the number to it. Okay, let's write it together. Let's write these lines for you to understand better. We create a predict this time and say it. We use the function, we create year, month, date. We must give him a year, a day, a month, and a day. Then we can predict our model, our price by using our model dot predict and use pred. And then if we run it, we can print predict and it's the answer. As you can see, if we change the dates, for example, let's give it the 22 months. It's working. Why? Someone can say that. I discuss it. Let's give it 2000 and the model gonna let's change it. What is the problem? Predict. If we give it as a month 20, it's work or not? It's work. Why? Because I create this step just for converting the months, day and year to to number, not for detecting that they are right or wrong. Okay, this is the last lesson of our course. If you want this code, tell me in the comments. I put it in the GitHub or in the comments for you, so you can use it. I hope you enjoy it. We learn a linear regression and do something, I don't say very good, but not a bad thing to do. I think I make a project for you, and I will tell you more in the preview in the next lessons. Have a good time. Don't forget to cut it to learn better and better. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.